In this video, I'll show you how to schedule a meeting in Calendly. It's going to be a step-by-step video. So make sure what I'm going to show you in this video. This video is only for educational purposes only. So open up your Calendly, click on this plus. You're going to be able to see book a meeting. So click on it. So if you love to schedule a meeting with someone, what you need to do, click on this create meeting type. Okay, let me say, I'm going to go back. Okay, yeah, so you can see this is the meeting type. It can be one-on-one, it can be group. So you can select any of them. So let's say if you love to select, let's say a one-on-one chat or interview, click on this first option. So you're going to be able to come on here, enter the name of the meeting, enter the duration, enter the location, enter the availability time, right? Your own time. Click on these more options. You're going to be able to see the meeting link, right? So you can be able to enter the description of the meeting, enter an internal notes, and enter all this. So once you are done, you're going to be able to click on create. So once, okay, I'll just use this for an example. I can just type, let me say test. So I'll just use this. So I'm going to click on create. So I'm just creating a test schedule meeting here on Calendly, right? So you can say, okay, I just created this meeting. So you can be able to schedule this meeting. So once you copy the link, you can be able to share it with the person. And whenever the person comes online, the person can be able to access this. So if you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next video.